This is Mohammad Sohail and you are watching me on YouTube. Today we will discuss weighted average method. Student, weighted average method of pricing of material is very scientific and it is oftenly used in many organizations. It is a method of pricing of material issues in which the issue price is determined by way of adding the cost of different lot and dividing it by the total quantity. How the prices are determined under weighted average method? Prices are determined under weighted average method by way of adding the cost of different lot and dividing it by total quantity. That is the way we should calculate the weighted average method of issue price under दिस मेथड. ओके, एक बार हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ. वेटेड एवरेज मेथड के अंदर जो हम लोग मटेरियल इशू प्राइस जो कैलकुलेट करते हैं, वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं बच्चों? वो हम लोग जितने भी कॉस्ट होते हैं डिफरेंट लॉट के कॉस्ट को ऐड करने के बाद एंड देन उसकी जो टोटल क्वांटिटी है उससे अगर डिवाइड करेंगे आप तो वेटेड एवरेज मेथड ऑफ इशू प्राइस निकल के आ जाता है. बच्चों, इस मेथड के कुछ एडवांटेजेस भी है तो कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस भी है. लेट मी डिस्कस द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ वेटेड एवरेज मेथड एट फर्स्ट. ओके, चलिए. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इट गिव्स गुड रिजल्ट where the prices fluctuate and purchasing quantities are also vary widely. This students, the method is very suitable when the prices are fluctuating. As you know, we have learned the three previous method in which it is very difficult to calculate the actual price, the correct issue price, है ना, when the prices are fluctuate. But in this method, we are able to calculate prices, है ना, where the prices are fluctuating and the purchasing quantities are also very widely. It is very clear to you that this method is very suitable when the prices are fluctuating and purchasing quantities are also very wide. Okay, let's discuss the second point. The comparison between the different job is easier. In the previous method, it is not possible to compare between one job to another job. But under this method, it is very suitable to compare different jobs under this method. The third advantages of this method is this method is scientific and it takes into account both price and quantity. Under this method, the issue price is determined by way of taking into account both the price as well as the quantity. I hope all the advantages of this method are very clear to you. Let me discuss some of its drawbacks, disadvantages and difficulties, you may say. Chaliye, we are now discussing the disadvantages of weighted average method. The first and one of the vital disadvantages that this method possesses is material issue price does not represent the actual price. The actual prices are not determined by way of using weighted average method. Just because of this method is also a part of averaging. That is why the actual price is not determined. The second point is stock in hand, and the stock that is lying under store could not represent the current market value. Stock lying in hand and stock in hand does not represent the current market value because we should follow under this method the average pricing method. And the last disadvantages of this method is the closing stock may show absurd figure. The figure that reflected by the closing stock is not true always. Okay, that is very true to you. Let me again explain in briefly that what I have teach you till now. Students, weighted average method, it is a method of pricing material in which the issue price is determined by way of adding the cost of different lot and dividing it by total quantity. Clear? Advantages, let me discuss some of the advantages of this method. It gives a good, I have told you earlier that it gives a good result when the prices of the materials are fluctuating and the firms are purchasing in a very large quantity. Under this situation, this method holds good. The second point is the comparison of different job is easier. If you want to compare between one job and another, then this method is suitable and it is not suitable for the previous methods. Okay. The third point is, student, this method is scientific as it takes in account both price and quantity. Let me discuss some of the disadvantages. Material issue price does not represent actual price. The actual price may not be reflected through this method. Stock in hand does not represent the current market value. The stock that is lying and the stock lying in closing stock and the store does not represent the current market value. The closing stock may also show abstract figure. The figure that was reflected by closing stock is not true always. Hope this video is very clear to you, and hope you will all the students can understand this. Please do follow the instructions carefully, and please stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.